Welcome everyone. We'll show you one more tip today. If you have data in this format, right? If you have a set of data, we call it as array one, and then you have few columns for that. Same way you have array two, we have two columns for that. You have array three, you have a set of columns for that. Now, similar data as a requirement, you want to combine this into a single set or a single group of columns. Then usually what people will do, people go for copy this here and manually go and copy this from multiple sheets or same sheets and then get it in this format. Instead of doing this, you have a default function that we can use in Excel, which is called VSTACK. And if you take VSTACK here, search for VSTACK, you can combine the arrays very quickly. So you apply the formula, select your fields that you want to combine into an array format, select everything, and then click enter. You can see that the entire data is being combined together into the way that you want. So this is how you can use the VSTACK functionality in Excel. These are advanced Excel functionalities which you can use in your day-to-day life. Thank you for watching.